Hello, friends! Look at this beautiful red barn! Who's coming to play with us today? Yes, it's our cute farm animals! Let's see what animals we have. A cow, a pig, a sheep, a horse, a rooster, a duck, a dog, and, of course, a cat. So fun! Let's learn them one more time. Read after me. Cat, dog, duck, rooster. Oh no! One farm animal is missing. What should we do, friends? We must find the missing animal. Now, let's put all the farm animals back inside the barn to see which one is gone. Which animal should we start with first? Oh! You want to pick the cat? Okay, no problem. Let's put the cat back in the barn. Is it here? Oops, not quite. Does it fit here? Yes, it does! That was a good start. Now, shall we choose the rooster? Let's see if it goes here. Oh no, that's not right. What about the duck? Let's try. Oh yes, it fits perfectly! Great job, friends! Now let's check the other side of the barn to see which animal can go in next. Look, friends! This side of the barn has 2 empty spots. Which animal goes here? Let's try the sheep. Is it this one? Nope. What about here? Oops, too big for the sheep. So silly. Let's try another animal. How about the cow? Moo. Do you think the cow goes here? Let's check. Yay! You're right! The cow fits perfectly! Great job! Now there's still one more spot. Which animal could it be? Did you say the dog? Oh, woof, woof! Okay, let's try the dog. Hi, doggy! Is this your spot? Yes, it is! Yay! We did it, friends! 2 animals on this side of the barn, and the other side is already finished! Awesome! Now let's go see what's waiting on the next side of the barn. Look, it's Mr. Farmer! Can you wave to Mr. Farmer? Okay, friends, look, there's an empty spot here. Which animal do you think can fit in? Should we try the pig? Let's see. Oops, not this one. How about the rooster? Oh, still not right. But wait, it really looks like the rooster's spot. Let's turn it around and try again. Yes, it fits this time. Hooray! Friends, sometimes we have to think and try again to get it right. Now let's move on to the last side of our barn. Now we have 2 farm animals left. First is the pig. Yes, Piggy goes in the right spot. Good job. Next is the sheep. The sheep goes up here. That's right. So, friends, here is the space for the missing animal. Can you tell what animal shape this is?
Hey, hey!
Friends, someone is calling us. Oh, it's Mr. Farmer.
Do you want me to help you find the missing animal?
Oh, okay, great. Let's do it together.
Hi, Rooster. Did you see the missing animal?
No.
Hi, Hi, dog. Do you know which animal is gone?
No.
Hey, kids. Do you hear that sound? What animal is calling us? Oh, wow! There's a door! Let's open it together!
Yay! The missing animal is a horse! We found you at last! Great job, friends! Let's put the horse back in its spot. Perfect! And a big thank you to Mr. Farmer. Thank you, Mr. Farmer.
You're welcome!
Hey, friends! Do you hear that sound? Let's follow it. Look! A green barn! What could be inside? Oh, wow! It's a pig! That's the piggy sound. Oink, oink. The pig goes in the barn. The pig comes out. Ready? Say it with me. In. Out. Oink, oink. So funny, so cute. Do you know what animal is making that sound? Let's open the blue barn and see. Wow, yes, it's a cow. The cow is standing on the left. Now it moves to the right. Repeat after me. Left. Right. Yay, great job, friends. From this cute sound, can you guess what animal is inside the orange barn? Quack, quack, it's a duck. The duck is standing in front of the barn. Now the duck is behind the barn. Say it with me, friends. Front. Behind. Yay! Awesome job, friends! Oh, the duck says he hears his friend calling. Let's go with the ducky to find his friend. Who could it be? Wow, it's a sheep! Look at its fluffy wool, so soft. Look, friends, the sheep goes up on the barn. Can you say up? Wow, so high. Now the sheep goes down. Whee! Can you say down? The sheep goes up, up, up again. So fun! Hooray, friends! Thank you for helping me find the missing horse. We had so much fun today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
If you want to watch more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.